This is the orange list. Number 1, plays. My dog plays in the snow in the backyard. Number 2, ponies. The ponies are grazing in the pasture. Number 3, stories. Miss Mannix will sometimes tell us stories while we sit by the cabin. Number 4 is valleys. There are plants and grasses growing in the valleys. Number 5 is candies. There were several candies being sold in the candy shop. Number 6 is toys. Please clean up all of these toys before the company arrives. Number 7 is families. Some families enjoy going out to eat dinner. Number 8 is cities. We visited several cities while we were on our road trip. Number 9 is monkeys. We visited the monkeys while we were at the zoo. Number 10 is parties. We threw several birthday parties for all of the cousins. Number 11 is trays. There were trays filled with desserts. Number 12 is duties. The duties of Mr. Taylor include cleaning inside the school and shoveling outside of the school. Number 13 is berries. I mixed berries into the pancakes. Number 14 is journeys. We went on several journeys during winter break. Number 15 is babies. Many babies enjoy taking naps. Number 16 is alleys. The alleys get cleaned after the snow is removed from the main streets. Number 17 is ladies. The ladies were sitting at the tables and the men were standing nearby. Number 18 is fireflies. It was a very dark evening, so it was easy to see the fireflies. Number 19 is armies. There were armies of ants invading our picnic. Number 20 is boys. The boys were still using the bathroom while we were ready to start our next lesson. Number 21 is donkeys. The donkeys carried the bags of food into the canyon.